That's why you asked.
So in order to appreciate where we're going, I gotta show you where we started. On December 28, 2023 to be exact, I uploaded this video of getting my natural hair done. All of the works, blow dry, flat iron, cut, curl, and I rocked it like that for about a month, y'all. It looked amazing. Shout out to my sister Boone. It's been about a month now, and we out here looking crazy. So in this video, I'll be showing you how I went from this to that and got these cute overnight curls using only a few Flexi rods.
That's just how I live. Money and pretty women, highness and fitness. That's all I'm getting. That's just how I live.
Hey y'all, it's allofdestiny. So this is how my hair looks straight out of the bonnet. So at the gym, I had it a little more like that. The edges was laid, and then normally when I leave the gym, I come home, I shower, I get ready to start the day, and then I like fluff it like this and I let it back out. What's this? I don't know. So I've been putting my bonnet on, but I haven't been putting my rollers in. If you like me, once you get your natural hair straightened out, the goal is to preserve it for as long as possible. A lot of people think after you've worn your hair for a while that that's it, that's all there is. It's time for me to wash it. It's nothing else I can do. There's no way that I can revive my hair. You probably thinking you could save the day by using some sort of hot tools like a flat iron, a curling iron, reapplying heat. I try not to straighten it a whole lot. My little concoction combo, Flexi rods and then serum. So I rewatched one of my older videos. I put it right here. This is the inspo for this one. This is the oil that I use. The packaging is different now, but this is the same serum. It's the Gold Series Intense Hydrating Oil infused with argan oil. I got a mixture here of the purple and gray Flexi rods. Whichever Flexi rods you have for the length and the thickness of how you like your curls to look, those will work perfect for this video. So another thing that I have been doing, I wasn't doing that in my older videos that I went back and watched of myself, but something that I do now, like I said, with me being natural once it's straightened out, which I know to y'all, it's like your hair is not straightened out no more. Like that's it. It does not look like this. Like my sister Boone did her thing. So that was actually in December. And I know y'all like Destiny, it's just time for you to wash your hair and let it go. You probably saw the thumbnail. So in the front, we're gonna take, this is dry shampoo. I got mine from Ross for $8.99. This is the big can. Following the directions, it basically just tells me to spray it on and massage it in. This is not a quick fix all the time to skip washing your hair. For me, it's just like a temporary touch up. I'll probably go one more week with me stretching my hair basically, and then I'm gonna let it go. I know what I didn't do. I should have propped up something to get TikTok footage at the same time. I want to start brushing it out. My little gray hair be showing out these days. I'm shocked at myself standing here filming right now. When I say I came in from the gym and it's been like a cleaning day for me. Like I have stripped the bed. I bought a new mattress protector because I got sick of looking at this stain that was on it. I was like, yeah, no. And I read that mine was washable, but I was like, I just want a new one because if I spend all that time washing it and it don't come out, I don't got time for that. Like, I am deep cleaning. And all right, so that's all I'm going to do. I feel like if there's anything in the back, it is what it is. But it's something about using a serum and lots of it in combination with Flexi rods. I don't know what these made out of. Like, I don't know what it is about a Flexi rod that just works, but it does. But I am going to roll this as if it was a roller set. So I'm going to take a section in the front right here. But don't worry about trying to lay your edges and all of that. Right now you want to just put the rollers in. Once you take your hair out to fluff it in the morning, then you can lay your edges. Some pumps of that. Oh, I gotta unlock it. Okay, really one pump for each section. That was mistakenly like two, but for this front section that'll work. Work it into the hair. This may not be one of those videos where I talk about other things while doing my hair. I want to kind of make sure that I'm getting back to actually having like a few tutorials in the mix here and there, or some videos that are evergreen, and it's a little bit more straight. You can also tell just from that other section. And I'm going to roll it going forward. So you want to make sure that you're taking the end, wrapping it and securing it very well. Make sure it's like locked. Roll it over itself. That's gonna hold it in place, and then you want to roll. I'm not just like doing like this and it's loose. Tight on my thumbs. Tight, taut, whatever you want to call it. I haven't brushed my hair in a few days, so my shed pieces are gonna come out while I'm doing this. It's a good idea for me to roll this one going forward in the front because it's going to push back, which will help it to flatten out and straighten it just a little bit for me. Not the same way using a pressing comb would, but just enough. If you're particular about using too much heat on your natural hair, you could give that a try. Voice over Destiny like talking to y'all, so I'm gonna let her do her thing because I'm tired. But I've been cleaning all day and still got more to go. Like, I'm trying to wash my new comforter set that I just got from Target. Now it's on shuffle. If you notice that you do want to put a little bit oil on your scalp as you go. Like I said, mine is a little bit flaky. I'm not ready to wash mine yet. So when you do yours, just make sure yours look better than mine. And then just massage that in at the root. You can also wait and do this at the end once your parts are exposed. 1 pump of the serum. So it may seem like, ooh, that's a lot. You putting a lot. My hair is not as straight and flat as it was at first. So this combination with the Flexi rods is going to help to really smooth that out. If it's raining where you are, like it currently has been on and off here, it's also going to help your hair to withstand any frizz. If I was to want to wear my hair outside, I don't have to keep my rollers in. Going all the way to the end and begin rolling down and lock that in.
So I'm going to repeat that same process until all of the Flexi rods are in. I sort of do mine the same way I would if this was a roller set. So starting in that middle section, then I began to work on those side sections, brushing the hair through very well. Y'all, look at my nicely trimmed ends. 1 pump will do it for each one for me, depending on the size of your sections. And you can already see how silky the serum is getting the hair. Like, I could do a low bun, I could do a high bun, we could do a ponytail, which is what I'm currently wearing right now. You got options before just saying, oh, my hair dirty, let me just go and wash it. If you want less curls than what I'm going to get, you want to use less Flexi rods and probably not so much serum. If your hair is longer than mine and you want lots of curls, then you may need to take smaller sections. And even if your hair hasn't been freshly pressed out, you can definitely still achieve this look just starting from blow dried hair. Just make sure that you blow dry very well. I actually have a video where I was in a rush, and that's something that I did to my hair once. I'll link it down below if you all want to check that out. And I hope that this video, for my younger girls who are trying to just do their own hair at home, hopefully this will come in handy just to give you all some ideas on how to preserve your hair and style it at home by yourself.
Let me be the one, baby, you deserve better, you know. Do you mind? You know better than me. That's now when it's that time. Know how to
Alright, just like that, got my rollers in. I think I have about 11 rollers. My hair is definitely dirty as I've rolled it. I can definitely see that. But I'm not gonna take these out and be like, let me go on and wash. Too late. I already used my product now. Fingers crossed that we get some curls in the morning. I hear the dryer now, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish with my whole little cleaning. Then in the morning when I get ready to take these out, I'll be back.
So it's about 2 days later, and this is what we have. You don't have to wait 2 days. I just didn't have anywhere to go, so I didn't take my rollers out. Quick question, do you lay your edges before or after your makeup? Because the way this foundation and powder be all in my edge brush, girl. Either way, that's the Ebin New York 24-hour edge tamer. I'm going to go ahead and spray my hair with the Lustrous Pink Oil Sheen. You don't have to do this. If you want to apply some oil to your hands, you can definitely do that. I did also forget to mention, this video is not super product specific, so if you have a hair oil that's different from mine and hair products that your hair responds very well to, definitely grab those and give this a try. But the products that I'm using will be in the description box down below. So after that, I basically take my fingers and I run it through the curls. I'm going to do lots of finger styling. That's really it, and you just kind of keep running your hands through the curls until you're satisfied with the way it looks. You can do more or less of this. If you want super defined curls, then spiral them individually. If you don't mind the messy fluff look, just run your hands through your hair the way that I'm doing.
I know once I fluff my hair, I do not want to have to try to put this hoodie on. There we go. Walmart really been stepping it up, but I knew I put on the wrong kind of tank. Sometimes I stop too early and my hair is like under fluffed. So I just try to make sure to my liking that I fluff it enough. Same thing in the back, and run your fingers through it. If you don't want to do it this way, take each individual curl and just separate it. Or if you ran your fingers through it and you're like, wait, I want to put it back, you can easily just hold them and re-spiral them back into place. I see a lot of flex in mine, so this is going to be it for me. I should have filmed this sooner for y'all to show y'all how I was doing it. I didn't think y'all cared that much, but every time I've been on Instagram, y'all was like, please show us the way you do your hair like this. I don't know when I'm going to have it straightened again, so I was like, let me just go ahead and film it either way. I mean, there's a lot of different styles you could come up with out of this. When I go to the gym, going up like, ooh, wait, that's cute too. When I go to the gym, I grab it all into a ponytail because I feel like it'll be less sweaty if it's up. Ponytail look like this, half up, half down, is one of my favorites as well. Because the girls gonna be like, show me all the steps. And just wrap it a few times and boom. Just like that. Make sure the edges are laid. I don't like doing like a super neat part because in the back I want it to all blend together, right? Yeah. And you could always shake it if you wanna. You could do another ponytail behind that one for a mohawk. Front down, but push the sides up. You got options with a style like this. You really do. One of my favorites is just putting it in my face. If you don't want to do lashes, if you let it hang in your face, or you're not really in the mood to do makeup, so I just keep running my fingers through it until it's really, really big. Like, see how that looks? And we got that from what, 11 Flexi rods? 9, 10, 11. Yeah, 11 Flexi rods. And you get this, the bigger the hair, it makes them stare. I know I gotta say it for the girls who've been here. Give this video a thumbs up if you want the bathroom tutorials to be back. I need to change my earrings now. We on point. That gray getting out of hand in the front. What color y'all think I should put on it? Brown or red? That's really it. That's it. If I wasn't editing this clip, it's currently 6 minutes and 7 seconds. That's it. So my curls are back. We didn't even use heat to do it. Love it, love it, love it. What was said? What was said? I'm gonna swap into these cute earrings that I got from Target. I think I'm finna go take myself to get some dinner. I love how this turned out. It's definitely a look. One of the ways that I preserve this also at night, you could do the high up ponytail that we did and then 2 in the back. Y'all know what would also be cute. The girls don't be liking 2 ponytails. They feel like it make you look kitty. Me, myself, I feel like if you're an adult, that's the whole reason you wear your hair however you want to, because you're an adult and you can. My old faithful Dollar Tree scrunchies. And if you really wanna, See, I like a cute playful hairstyle. I know how old I am, so I ain't got no point to prove. My hair, what kind of hairstyle is that? A cute one, that's why you asked. Maybe not that. I'm doing these quick, so just to give y'all ideas. So just make sure yours is, you know, cuter than that. On Instagram, this is a look. This would be a nice Instagram picture, and you could actually wear it a couple of places in real life. And that's a good idea for sleeping. The looser, the better. You're not stretching the curls out too much to where when you let them back down, they won't do this again. And if you want to do some oil sheen or something, you could. Old Faithful, if we're going back, like, back to the bathroom videos, I know younger me will reach for Luster's Pink. It's a lot of new stuff out there, but sometimes I go back to what I know it is that my hair likes. I ain't gonna stretch this out though. Questions, comments, be sure to leave all of that down below. And as always, thank y'all so much for watching. Oh my God, I be looking so good. I be like, who is that? Who is she?
It's ridiculous. I'm so optimistic. Pull women like I'm fishing. Pull up in that coupe and you know that I'm that nigga. Her hair go down her back. Girl, you need a plaque. Cause you the baddest I done seen in a while.